Okay guys, it's about 1 o'clock on, what's today, Thursday, something like that, whatever. We gotta start cracking on the firewood, man. We should have got on this firewood like 2 months ago. But it was always raining, and then it got too hot, and I had a whole bunch of other chores to do, gardening, yard. But we're out of firewood. I have like none, and we got to be prepared. I want to at least get like what's equal to, I call 3 rows in the loggy house. It's probably about like almost a cord of wood, maybe, give or take. But I don't burn a lot during the winter, but I burn enough that I need wood. And I've got the stove, so it's stupid not to use it. The blades, the chain seems pretty sharp, so I'm not going to worry about that. I've got the tractor all set up. So let's go out to the logs and just start cutting. There's not much else to say about this little adventure other than I'll bring you along for a few. I'm not going to record everything because just watching me sawing logs is going to get boring. So let's get our boots on and try to observe some PPE. I don't have any chainsaw pants or chaps, whatever you want to call them. So we're going to have to just make do. Let me know if you've got chainsaw pants or what level of PPE you use when using a chainsaw. I feel like, the chainsaw is one of your more dangerous yard tools, probably right up there with a table saw. You've got to, for lack of a better way of putting it, you've got to respect the unit, and you've always got to have some goggles and safety gear, earmuffs on and stuff, especially for your eyes. But regardless of that, if you know what you're doing reasonably well, and you're paying attention, and you've had enough practice to be able to be out there without any supervision, then using the chainsaw can be a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun cutting up. It's a lot of work because you're doing a lot of lifting when you're bucking up the logs. That's for ding dang sure. But I'm going to try to buck up at least like maybe a dozen logs, and then we'll worry about getting them split up into firewood. But I got to get cracking on this wood, man. The thing I hate is having to run in to go to the bathroom when you've got your boots on, because I don't take them off. Too much hassle, and it tracks in a ton of, sawdust with it. But nothing I can do other than just add it to the cleanup list of how much dump there is to clean up after you've cut a few logs. It's doing up to, you don't usually bother doing them all the way, or else there's not enough lace left. All right. Oh, and turn the cuffs of your, no, it doesn't matter, I can do that afterwards. Turn the cuffs of your pants down as well if you go around with your pant cuffs rolled up, or it'll get in, the sawdust chips will get into your boots and it'll eventually start bugging your feet, and your feet will be kind of itchy. Okay guys, quick little look at our setup here. We've got our paint for marking the length of the logs. We've got our measuring stick to know what the length is. We've got our MS211, our hard hat and ear protection. And I finally got smart and I bought a little toolbox to put my chainsaw bits and bulbs in. And that way it's much easier to deal with, I think. It's cheaply made, that's for sure. It's just plastic junk. But let's have a look at our log pile. So that's probably about what, 30 logs there, 40 logs. We're not going to get this all cut up today, but I'd like to get at least, I don't know, a dozen of them or so, something like that. We'll see how far we get. I don't know, can't make no promises. You can probably get a new one, but we want to. I don't know. There we go. Well, crud. Okay, guys. Game's Call of Duty chainsaw's broken. You can see it's cracked there. And it just doesn't hold on anymore. So I'm going to have to bring it up to, whoops. I'm going to have to bring it up to the saw place and get them to fix it. That way they can just order a new handle or what the hell ever. Ah, frig. If it isn't one thing, it's another. Alright, we're going to end it here. Not much to go on, but I'll upload what I got. We'll resume Firewood when the saw is fixed. Sayonara.